Okay, Jerry is hooking up his box that he's made for vacuuming the bees, and we have electricity. So this is the first time we're testing this piece of equipment. It's a box that he's made. The idea is that we won't kill so many bees when we're vacuuming them. They go inside, and the first vacuum that we made a few years ago, or that I should say he made, we ended up losing way too many bees. So we have probably the biggest cluster, and now we just try to catch some of these others. And they are flying around. They're probably wondering, where is the queen? I'm surprised they're not going to that box over there, because the box does have a, it is vented. So I don't know why they're not going to the box, but probably the pheromone is stronger here. Okay, this could be interesting. Oh, okay. Let me know when you want me to throw the switch. You gonna put gloves on?
Yeah, this hose is just getting quite like I.
Do you want me to hold the hose to it? Would you like for me to do that? I'm going to turn this off.